Hello viewers, I am BP Yadav and welcome again to my channel Orbit Education Circle. Today we will start the exercise 7.4 of the chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Okay, so let us go for the first question of the exercise. Now, here is the question 1. In the question, determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides the line segment joining point A and B. Okay, so first we will draw the line segment AB here. Here A and B be the 2 points, or after joining these points we get a line segment. Okay, and any line, this is a line which divides the segment AB into any ratio, or we will have to find out the ratio here. Line is 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the line. Okay. Now, the solution of question is, let line x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides line segment AB into the ratio K ratio 1. Okay, let here is K and 1. Then the line divides the line segment AB in K ratio 1. Okay, now here M and this is M. Okay, A is equal to 2 minus 2. It means x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to minus 2. B is equal to 3 and 7. It means x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 7. Here M is equal to K and N is equal to 1. Okay. Let P is any point which divides the segment AB. Okay, then let P be any point on the line segment. Clear? Now, using section formula, okay, section formula. Here x is equal to m x1 plus n x2 upon m plus n, and y is equal to m x2 plus n x1. Here is m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. X is equal to, put the value of m which is equal to k and x2. x2 is 2 plus n is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to 2. x2 is equal to 3. Okay, then k plus 1. So the value of x is 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. This is the value of x in terms of k. Now again put the value of m which is equal to k, then y2 is equal to 7 plus 1 into y1 is equal to minus 2 upon k plus 1. and y is equal to 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. Okay, and you can see the point P, the coordinate of x and y, the line satisfied the line since P lies in the line in the given line. Okay, so it will be satisfied the line, the given line. Okay, x plus y minus 4, which is equal to 0. Put the value of x and y here, x and y. Now 2 and x is equal to 3k plus 2 upon, here is k plus 1, plus y is equal to 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1, of which is equal to 4. Okay, transfer minus 4 into the right side, then it will be plus. So the LCM is k plus 1 and 6k plus 4, 7k minus 2 is equal to 4. Here 7k and 6k is equal to 13k plus 2 is equal to 4k plus 1. Now 13k plus 2 is equal to 4k plus 4, and 13k minus 4k. This k will be transferred to left side, and this 2 is transferred into right side. Then 13k minus k, which is equal to 9k and 2. So k is equal to 2 upon 9. Okay, therefore, hence the line divides segment AB into a ratio 2:9. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. You can note this question, and we will continue, and we will go for the second question of the exercise. Now here is the second question of the exercise. So the question is, find a relation between x and y if points A, xy, B, 1, 2 and C, 7, 0 are collinear. Okay, here point A is x, y, and B is 1 or 2 and C is 7 and 0. Here A is equal to xy, which means x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y. Point B 1 or 2, it means x2 is equal to 1 or y2 is equal to 2, and C 7 or 0. Then x3 is equal to 7 and y3 is equal to 0. Since given points are collinear, therefore collinear using collinear formula of 3 points. Okay, 3 points. So the collinear formula is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, y1 y2 minus y3, then x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. 1, 2 and 3. The trick how to learn this formula: when x1 then y2 minus y3 using y2 minus y3 plus x2 the difference x2 then difference of y3 minus y1 plus x3, when x3 then we use the difference between y1 minus y2 which is equal to 0. So it is in the circular form, or we can easily learn by using this trick. Okay, now for the question, putting the value of x1 which is equal to x, then y2 is equal to 2 minus y3 0 plus x2 is equal to 1, then y3 is equal to 0 minus y1 plus x3 which is equal to 7, and y1 is y minus y2 is equal to 2. Now multiply 1 into minus y plus 7y minus 14 which is equal to 0. Then 2x minus y plus 7y minus 14 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus, here is 7y minus y means 6y minus 14 is equal to 0. And 2x plus, here 2 is common, 3y is equal to 14. The 14 will be transferred on the right side. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 14 and x plus 3y is equal to 14. This is going, then 2 7 is 14. Then x plus 3y is equal to 7, or x plus 3y is equal to, minus 7 equal to 0. This is the relation between x and y. So we get the result of the question number 2. Please note this, and we are going for the next question number 3. So the question number 3 is, find the center of a circle passing through the points 6, minus 6, 3, minus 7 and 3, 3. Okay. Now, draw a circle and let P, Q and R be the 3 points on the circumference of the circle. Okay. And O is the center of the circle here. O is the center of the circle. Let X and Y be the center of the circle. Okay. Let P, Q, R be the 3 points on the circumference of a circle whose center is O, which is equal to x comma y. Left. So we will find out the center of the circle now. Since O is the center of circle, therefore OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR, because this is the radius of the circle. OP, OQ and OR, the radius of the circle. So the value of OP, OQ and OR will be equal. Okay. First, now therefore OP is equal to OQ. Here P is equal to 6 minus 6 and Q is equal to 3 and 7. So here is x1, y1. Now O or Q is equal to 3, 7 and O also. So here is P is equal to 6 minus 6, y is equal to, it means here xy. Okay, clear? Here is minus 7. Okay, here is minus 7. Then for OP, using distance formula, then x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which is equal to here also x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, putting the value for OP, here is x1 and so the value of x2 is equal to x minus 6 square plus y minus minus plus 6 square, because y1 is minus 6, then this will be plus 6. Okay, now here for OQ x minus 3 square plus y minus y1 means minus minus plus. Clear? Now on squaring, we get here x square plus 36 minus 12x, because x minus 6 whole square, using a minus b whole square, and y square plus 36 plus 12y, which is equal to here is x square plus 3 square means 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 49 minus plus 14y. Here x square will be cancelled, y square will be cancelled. So here is minus 12x plus 12y plus 72, which is equal to minus 6x plus 14y plus 49 58. Okay, now here is 0 and minus 6 plus 12x, 6x minus 12x, 12x will be plus after transferring right hand side. Now 14y minus 12y plus 58 minus 72, which is equal to, okay, so here after subtracting 6x, 14y minus 12y plus 2y, and this is 40, which is equal to 0. So 2 is the common number, and 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then 3x plus y minus plus 7. So the first equation will be here. Is the first equation 3x or y is equal to 7 minus 3x. Okay. Again, OP and OQ. Now for OQ and OR. So OQ means, or OP, taking OP, okay, OP, then x minus 6 square plus y plus 6 square, because here y minus 6, it will be plus, and here OR, then x minus 3 square plus y minus 3 square. Clear? On squaring. Here is x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y, which is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, the x square and x square will be cancelled, and y square also will be cancelled. Then here is minus 12x plus 12y plus 72, which is equal to 6x minus 6y plus 18. So here 12y plus 6y, this y will be transferred on the left hand side, it will be plus, and plus 72, and here is 12x minus 6x plus 18. Okay, now here 18y, here is 18y plus 72, which is equal to 6x plus 18, and 6x minus 18y minus 72 plus 18 equal to 0. Both terms will be transferred on the right hand side. This will be, so 6x minus 18y minus 54 is equal to 0. Then common x minus y, 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus is 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Then x minus 3y is equal to 9. Using putting value of y in equation 2. Okay. Okay, so x minus 3. The value of y is equal to 7 minus 3x is equal to 9, and x minus 21 plus 9x is equal to 9, and 10x is equal to 9 minus plus 21, then 10x is equal to 30, and x is equal to 30 upon 10. It will be cancelled, then x is equal to 3. We get the value of x. Now putting this value in equation number 1. So putting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, y is equal to 7 minus 3, x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 7 minus 9, and y is equal to minus 2. Okay, y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, center O is equal to 3 minus 2. So this will be the center of the circle 3 and minus 2. And the solution of the question number 3 is 3 minus 2. So we are going to the next question of the exercise 7.4 in the next video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.